Welcome to Allco's training video. In this video, we will demonstrate how to install our Swelltite membrane, how to complete floor-to-wall junctions, do internal corners, cold joints, lapping details and pipe penetrations. Surface preparation is an important step of the installation. Ensure the substrate is clean, clear of debris and free of any voids. We will demonstrate how to apply Swelltite to block wall with Voltex already applied to the footings. Apply 2 coats of set coat and ensure the Swelltite sheet is terminated 50 mm below ground level. The ground level for the project should be provided by the contractor. Internal corners and control joints should be detailed with Cetseal or bentonite paste and double layered with Swelltite strips to ensure those vulnerable locations. The wall floor joint will have additional granular bentonite added prior to the commencement of the Swelltite tanking application. Add water to the granular bentonite to create a bentonite paste and apply into the wall joints up to the termination line. Cetseal can also be used as an alternative product in this area. Pre-cut 150 mm Swelltite strips for the internal joints. Wet the back of the Swelltite strip until it's tacky. Apply the strip over the internal corner and press it into the substrate and fix as you go. Detail the expansion joints by liberally sealing the control joint with Cetseal or bentonite paste, followed by a 300 mm strip of Swelltite installed over. Apply dry water stoppage granules to the wall floor joint. There is no need to mix it into a paste as it will sit perfectly on the horizontal surface. Consider using a watering can as bentonite granules flow well. Cut the Swelltite to size and wet the back until it's tacky. Apply the membrane to the wall, aligning it in position and ensuring the sheet is terminated at ground level. Smooth the membrane to make sure there are no air bubbles. Make a lateral cut on the bottom to help wrap the membrane around the corner unhindered. Fix as you go. When overlapping the membrane, black lines on both Swelltite sheets align to ensure the membrane remains vertical and with the correct overlapping position. Once the membrane is in place, detail the internal corner using the dog ear technique and fix it in place. For the external corner, cut a 200 by 200 mm piece of Swelltite, make a relief cut and fix to the corner. Apply Allco seam tape to cover each joint securely. Ensure all joints have been sealed. Now we will fold the Voltex membrane that is coming out of the footing over the Swelltite, lapping both membranes and fix into place. Cut the termination bar to length. Fix it at ground level where the Swelltite ends. This will seal the edge of the membrane to provide extra confinement pressure. Fix every 250 mm for secure attachment. All guard protection sheets should be used on all Swelltite applications. Ensure the protection board is tucked in under the termination bar's lip. Secure in place with nails and washers and tape the joints. Complete the process by sealing the termination bar with Cetseal. Create a uniform bead along the top with a wet finger or glove to ensure smooth water runoff. When detailing a flush footing, first apply Cetseal to the wall floor cold joint, followed by a strip of Swelltite. Complete the Swelltite installation and at the end, bring the Voltex lap from the footing over the Swelltite and fix into place. To detail a pipe penetration using Swelltite, first apply Cetseal around the pipe followed by a strip of Swelltite. Fold the strip in half and cut multiple relief cuts to facilitate the positioning around the pipe. Tape the end of the strip with Allco seam tape. Now cut a 200 by 200 mm piece of Swelltite. Cut a hole in the middle, slightly smaller than the pipe size, to create a snug fit installation. Push firmly, adjust into place and tape into position.